Attorneys or clients will sometimes defy a court's scheduling or discovery orders. How can a court protect from such misbehavior, and what can happen to the client's case? The court considered those questions in Olson v. Alick. In May 1988, Donn Olson filed a pro se complaint in federal court alleging that his employer, Nafe Alick of Alick's Drugs Incorporated, fired him from his pharmacist's position due to disability and age. He later retained counsel. The court issued a preliminary scheduling order setting trial for December 13th, 1999. The litigation progressed without incident, and discovery proceeded smoothly. The parties mutually requested 2 discovery extensions, which the court granted, but the trial date remained unchanged. Settlement negotiations stalled. Without consulting Olson, his lawyer requested a settlement conference. Early on the morning of the conference, Olson informed his lawyer that Olson wouldn't attend. When Olson's lawyer informed the court, the magistrate judge canceled the conference. Olson's lawyer moved to withdraw and postpone trial to allow Olson time to retain new counsel. Alick didn't oppose either request. The district court granted the withdrawal motion but held the continuance motion in abeyance until a pretrial conference scheduled for November 30th at 1 p.m. The court's order advised Olson to attend in person or by new counsel. The conference began at 1:05 p.m., but neither Olson nor counsel were present. Alick's lawyer said that Olson called the previous evening and indicated that Olson wouldn't be there. The court noted that Olson hadn't attended either the settlement conference or this pretrial conference, then dismissed the case. The next day, Olson wrote a letter to the court explaining that he arrived late for the pretrial conference because he had to fill a chemotherapy prescription that his replacement, a nursing mother, couldn't safely fill. He couldn't leave work in time for the pretrial conference because he feared he'd lose his job. He arrived at 1:10 p.m. for the 1 p.m. pretrial conference. Moreover, Olson claimed that his attorney had scheduled the settlement conference without consulting Olson about his work schedule. Olson supported his representations with his lawyer's billing records and Olson's work records. The district court interpreted Olson's letter as a motion for relief from a judgment, then denied it. The court incorrectly asserted that Alick had opposed any trial continuance. Olson appealed to the 7th Circuit.